Hello Northern Virginia campus professors. This is Dave Chavez from Media Services. I'm standing here in one of your classrooms to show you a little bit about the connections for the laptop and desktop computer. If you want to use the desktop computer, there's only one cable you need to worry about, and that's this USB cable here in the front of the computer. If this USB cable, labeled SmartBoard USB, is disconnected, the touch functions on the SmartBoard won't work. Now, if I disconnect it right now, you'll see that I can still see my screen video image up there on the projector of the SmartBoard, but if I touch it, it won't respond. So, to be able to use the touch and digital ink functions on your SmartBoard, make sure the SmartBoard USB cable is plugged into one of the front USB ports in the desktop computer. If you want to use your laptop with the SmartBoard, there are three connections you want to make. The first thing you want to do is disconnect this USB cable from the desktop computer and plug it into one of the free USB ports on your laptop. That allows you to use the touch functions of the SmartBoard with your laptop. Keep in mind that you'll also need to have the SmartBoard software installed on your laptop for this to work. The second connection you want to make is with the VGA cable. There should always be a VGA cable either on the shelf right here inside the podium or in a bin attached to the inside of the podium. You want to take one end of that VGA cable and connect it to your laptop or your VGA adapter if you're using a Mac, and then take the other end and connect it right here to the plate on top of the podium. Third, if you're going to be using your laptop's sound, you want to take this cable. Once again, it's either going to be on a shelf right here or on a bin on the inside of the podium. Connect one end to your laptop's headphone jack, and then take the other end and connect it to that same plate on top of the podium where you connected the VGA cable. Basically, you'll be using the SmartBoard's speakers to listen to the audio instead of headphones. And that's everything I have for you. One last reminder, if you're using the Smart's touch functions with your laptop, make sure that when you're done, you plug this USB cable back into the desktop computer. It's very important. Otherwise, the next person to use the SmartBoard will touch it and be wondering why it's not responding. If you have any questions or you need further information, you can visit us online at www.su.edu/library/media. We've got all sorts of helpful information there. You can click on Equipment and Help Request if you need to borrow something special that you don't have here at NVC. You can click on Report an Issue if, for example, a projector bulb has burned out. There's also Request a Support Appointment if you need someone to sit down and help you learn how to use equipment better. If you click on Online Help, that'll take you to all sorts of useful information about the SmartBoard and other topics. On the right side of the Online Help page, you'll see a tab called Smart. Click on that tab and you'll see instructions both on how to install the SmartBoard software on your laptop, as well as information about how to get further training on the SmartBoard. As always, if you have questions, you can contact us at media@su.edu. Thank you.